What's up everybody, Blair here, back on YouTube. As promised for video number 2, I want to thank everybody for tuning in on my first video. Never had any idea that I'd get over 800 views at this point, so I want to thank everybody for tuning in. If you haven't seen my EDC video, feel free to go back to the channel and check it out if you're tuning in first time here. So this was, as promised from video number 1, this is my AR-15 that I pieced together from parts. I just finished it a couple months ago, so I wanted to do a video to overview everything that I put into the build. So we'll get right into it. Rifle's clear. So the upper and the lower is a Palmetto State Armory. There's other brands that are more expensive, a little bit more perfect built for if you're going to do some more precision shooting. I'm not really looking for that with this. I wasn't overly concerned with that, so Palmetto State, perfectly fine for what I was doing. Internally, I've got the Timney trigger. This is a 3-pound. It's a flat-faced, not perfectly flat, it's got a slight concave to it, with the Magpul winter trigger guard, so you can have gloves if you wanted to. The flatter ones will get in the way if you got a little bit bulky glove. Got ambidextrous safety here, and these are the anti-rotating pins. More designed for a full auto design, but it wasn't that expensive, so I went ahead and did it. I've got the Magpul MOE grip and a Magpul ASAP backplate here. Due to my Sling, this eventually will probably change to the quick disconnect that's in the backplate instead of the ASAP, so that's probably a little future adjustment that I'll do here. Bull carrier group is Spikes Tactical nickel boron, matching with a 14.5 inch Spike Tactical barrel. This is the cold hammer forge design with the chrome lined mid-length gas system. Got the low profile gas block. And mounted on the front is going to be the advanced Armament Brakeout 2. This is the flash hider and muzzle brake combo. It's a 2-inch pinned and welded with the threading on it. So I have future ideas of getting a suppressor, so I've already got it ready to go. Obviously it's going to be designed for advanced armament suppressors. There's a couple options as far as the tooth count, so we'll see what happens when I get to that point. On the front I've got the BCM KMR. This is the 13-inch design. Keymod system. If you haven't looked into the Keymod system, it's pretty neat. You can mount small sections of rail pretty much anywhere you want. The only thing I've got on mine at this point right now is my front quick disconnect sling mount. So that's the only thing I have on at this point. Future, I'm definitely going to have iron backup front sights and rear, but I have not selected them at this point. For charging it, I went with the Bravo company, medium latch, and then on the back I've got just a Magpul collapsible. And I'm also going to probably be switching this out in the future. They have the one that has the quick disconnect sling mount on the buttstock as well, because I've got the Blue Force gear quick disconnect sling option, so I can go on the buttstock, on the back of the backplate, and then on the front of the rail if I'm doing a 2-point, because I've got a 2-to-1 sling. And then for my optic, I went with the micro Aimpoint T2 on the Larue tactical quick disconnect mount. Potentially looking into a 3x magnifier, but we'll see what comes with that. So I want to thank everybody for tuning in. I hope you like this. It took me a really long time to build. It took me just about a year to get all the pieces combined and everything. By the time I figured out what I wanted and purchased everything and got it put together. So hope you enjoyed it. Leave me some feedback. Let me know what you think. And stay tuned for next time. Next video is going to be a full review on the LBX Tactical Rifle Bag. If you have one, you already know they're awesome. If you don't, maybe it's something you don't know about yet, and we'll do a full review on this one for you. So thanks for tuning in. Feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for future ones, and thank you. We'll see you next time.